So let's not make it late and come straight to the point. So hello everyone, my name is Tritima Banerjee, in short Triti, and আজকে জাস্ট আমি রিয়েল টক করতে এসেছি. I have not come with any manifestation techniques or any mantras. আমি আমার নিজের লাইফে আমি কি জার্নিটা দিয়ে আমি গেলাম of doing so many things, of doing all these mantras and chantings, আমি কিভাবে পারলাম বা কিভাবে আমার কাছে এসছে জিনিসটা. I will try to keep as real as possible, as raw as possible. So ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে, when I was in class 6 or 7, I used to do one practice which is Namyoho Renge Kyo BSG Bharat Soka Gakai, and 13 to 14 years I was with it. So that was the prime point where I have grabbed some aspect of spirituality in my life. Later on ki holo ব্যাপারটা যে somehow I couldn't go ahead with the practice, and then I started to search for something that I will hold on into my life. And সব সময় কিন্তু spirituality সবার কাছে এমনি চলে আসে না. When something really hits in your life very hard, like very hard, you have gone through the massive, like your own self destruction, যেটা আমার সাথে হয়েছে. So তখনই কিন্তু something like this comes to your life which will like hold you together and will make you realize that you are not alone in this world. You have all the divine beings around you. ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে শুধু you are not, we can't look at it with our own naked eyes. যখন আমি ওই প্র্যাকটিসটা ছাড়া হলো, তখন I grabbed so many things of my chanting, of my mantras, of searching so many things. So সেই টাইমটার পর থেকে I was really down with my life. And সেটাও না, তার আগে when I was doing that practice even, তখন থেকেই I was my life was little bit of shaky. And তখন আমি জাস্ট খুঁজতাম কি এমন একটা জিনিস করা যায় যেটার জন্য আমি অ্যাটলিস্ট I will get my peace of mind. আমার বেশি কিছু চাই না, জাস্ট I will be able to sleep peacefully at night, এইটুকুনি বাস হোক, আর কিছু না. তারপর হচ্ছে ম্যানিফেস্টেশন জিনিসটা is something so raw and so real thing. যেইটা যে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স করেছে সেই জানে. ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে যে পেট পুষেছে সেই তার গুরুত্ব জানে, তার বাড়িতে রাখা বা তার মর্মটা বুঝতে পারে. এবার হচ্ছে কথাটা, when I share anything online in this platform or any other platform, if I share anything online, প্রথম কথা হচ্ছে আমি কিছু একটা জিনিস দেখলাম নিয়ে বলে দিই, সেইটা কখনো হয় না. আমি যখন কিছু শেয়ার করছি, কিছু বলছি, সেটা ফ্রম মাই এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, যেটা আই হ্যাভ গট দ্য রেজাল্ট. আর একটা জিনিস সব সময় বোঝা দরকার যে স্পিরিচুয়ালিটি কিন্তু সবার কিন্তু সেম হয় না. Your journey, my journey is completely different. How this will work will completely differ on how you put your intentions, but তোমার heart কতটা clear. So if this thing has worked for me, I'm not saying that it won't work for you, but it might take time. সেই জার্নিটা, সেই প্রসেসে you need to really have that raw trust again. My spiritual journey has been an exceptional one, which I believe, because এত খারাপ একটা ফেজ দিয়ে যাওয়ার পর I know that this is the guide, this is my light, and যেটা করছি it has been truly and successfully, it has been possible for me because I had that trust. So whatever I share is completely based on my own experience. My spiritual journey will be definitely different from you. Your spiritual journey will be different from mine, and both are completely normal. Everyone is working on the same path to have that happiness, to have whatever we want. And let me be very, very, very honest here. If anything I share or talk online, it is never just any kind of any theory that I have picked up. I have personally experienced it. I have got results from it, benefited me in a truthful way, and it has been deeply transformative. And that's the reason why I am here sharing all these things with you. For me, if even 1% of you all can get benefit from my journey, if even 1% of you all can feel that little bit of peace, little bit of hope in your heart, a little bit of more happiness in your life, that would honestly make me very, very happy. So whenever you see me talking about any mantra, any practice, any chanting, know that it comes from my heart, from my life, and with that simple intention that it might help you too. Because at the end of the day, we are all walking each other home. So thank you for being here, for listening to my story, for always supporting and loving me, and I will continue to carry on with my journey, carry on with my practice, and always share happiness with you all. Bye bye.